In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Flutter package Flutter Toast. This is the simple app we're going to build today, where we can show toasts either with context or without context. And with context, we can show custom toasts. When we click on this button, for example, you can see this custom toast here. And without context, we can show a normal toast, like so. Let's get started. As mentioned, the Flutter package we're going to use is called Flutter Toast. Just click on here to copy it to your clipboard. Then under your pubspec.yaml file, under your dependencies, paste it in here and then run pubget. Concerning the app itself, the layout is simply a list view with some text here, then some elevated buttons. In between those elevated buttons, there are size boxes of height 10. Here we have a size box of 40, and then again a text, and then the rest again with elevated buttons. Concerning the setup, import the Flutter Toast library and also define a global key. Then define the key here with your home screen or home page, not within your material app. So not here key and then your global key, because this doesn't work. So make sure that you include it in here, and also don't include it here in the scaffold with the key here. So key and then the global key, because in the init state here, we're already trying to access this global key. That's why we have to define it already up here. So then I defined a global variable called ftoast, which is late, since we initialized this in the init state. As such, ftoast equals ftoast, and then we're gonna init this with our global key. Then also I defined a global variable called toast. This is simply the widget, the custom toast we're going to show. As you've seen before, as you can see here, it has the green accent color background. So this is our custom toast. Now let's look first at how to show the custom toast with context. So when we press on this is the elevated button here, and it simply calls the show toast function here. And this is very simple. Since we've already initialized this toast, we then just can call show toast, and then the child is the custom widget we defined above. Again, this here. And then we use gravity to say where the toast should be shown. So it could be either at the bottom, or you could also show it bottom left. So when we click on this is bottom left, this is bottom right, this is top, this is center, and so on. Also, you can define the duration. So if you want to show this longer, so let's say 5 seconds, press on this. And as you can see here, this now stays here 5 seconds and then disappears. Then the next button here simply shows you that you can also position the post wherever you want it to be. So in this case here, it's top 16. So top 16 and left 16. So it will be shown here. So when we click on this, it will be shown here. Of course, this is not ideal, but just to show you how to use this positioned toast builder. Then we can also define our more custom toast. Here we define a widget which is called toast with button. It's simply a container with a row where we have an expanded text, and then the icon button for closing the toast. And when we press on the icon button, it will remove the custom toast. And then of course we show the toast. The duration here is 50 seconds. So when we press on this, you will see this custom toast here. And as you can see here, it will stay 50 seconds. So that way you can make use of this X button here to close it. Then you can also queue toasts, so show multiple toasts if you want to. So when we press on this here, it will show these different toasts here, one after the other. So first in the center, then at the bottom, then at the top, then at the center again. And here this cancel toast, this is the remove toast function here, will just remove one custom toast, and then the remove queued toasts will remove all queued toasts. So when we press on this here and we want to only cancel the next one here appearing down there, we press on cancel toast, so it goes to the next one, but it will show again another one, so we remove all queued toasts. That's it for the toast with context. Now, if you don't have access to context, you can also show toasts without context. And here you use the library fluttertoast.showToast. Then you say the message. This is the long toast or whatever you want it to be called. Also can define the font size, the background color, text color, and gravity. So when we press on this here, it will show us this here. Again, we can use the show color toast to show a toast with a different background color, for example, and text color, as you can see here. Also, again, you can use the gravity to show it, for example, at the top here. So this is here gravity, toast gravity dot top. And you can cancel toast by simply calling fluttertoast.cancel. One last thing to mention is that on Android, starting from Android 11 and above, the custom toasts won't work anymore. It will simply show the normal toasts. So it will only make use of the message, so the text and the toast length. All the other defined properties won't be used, but this is just as a side note. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below in the comments, and thank you for watching.